I
Hmm.
came through the mock interviews done by various institutions that are uploaded right in YouTube. There was two common questions asked to almost every candidate. That was if their name was not something very usual, they have to explain actually the meaning and what does that name mean, and in case of
See, that is
most of
what I am
us,
saying. Just now I told you, famous and popular. When you hear a word,
uh,
definitely we will. What is the word which you have heard maximum in your life?
learn.
No, your name, Ayana.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes,
So, what is Ayana means?
journey in Sanskrit.
Ayanam.
Yeah,
Ayanam is journey.
yatra.
Yatra. That is how Ramayanam came.
Yes.
Where is it used? Ramayanam. Do you now explain me what is Ramayanam?
Uh, Actually, Ramayanam is a
Ra, Ra to Ma.
the journey of Rama
No,
or
the
the light.
journey of darkness to brightness is Ramayanam.
Uh,
The bad to good, that is Rama Ayanam. The movement, that is how the Ramayanam word came. But Ayana in a different language means Ayana is a very common name in Muslim.
okay.
Ayana means blooming, flowering, blossom,
Uh,
smelling.
yes, in Arabic, it's flowering.
Yeah, so you must know all these words. Ayanam
Uh,
is different from Ayana.
uh,
Got it?
yes.
So that is to check whether you are a person who is interested to know the meaning, understand the concept. Okay. And most of
Yes,
the
yes.
mock interviews are not the real. Most of them are mock interviews created because somebody copies. That is why you repeatedly seeing it. Just
Okay.
now you got an impression that everybody will ask your meaning name, right? So the next person
No,
who does
sir.
a
When I
mock interview, they will also ask same.
but next question, that is when I had an NSS camp in Wayanad, uh, the we had an opportunity to talk with an IPS officer from Kerala itself. He was from a rural place from Kasaragod, and the question he had was if the directors are coming to Kerala and he is the tourist guide, to which all places he will take them.
Hmm.
And that question was there in some of the mock interviews which I have watched also.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Generally, there will be such questions.
Yeah.
Okay. So, which was the place where you were there in Wayanad?
Manandawadi.
Okay. Which are the famous places in Wayanad?
Manandawadi is famous.
More than Manandavadi, the most famous place in Wayanad is a different place. Which is the capital for Wayanad? What is special about Payyannur?
Payyannur Subramanya Swami Kshetram, Payyannur Pavitra.
Hmm.
That means near.
There is connection between Payyannur and Wayanad. One of the place in Wayanad. There is a Sultan Batteri there.
Yes,
Why is it called Sultan Batteri?
I don't know, so, sir.
It is Sultan's battery. Battery means ammunition keeping place. And that Sultan was Tipu Sultan. And that Tipu Sultan had also come to Payyannur and then tried to damage Payyannur temple.
Yes.
He traveled through Payyannur and reached up to Kodungalur. And Kodungalur is the place where he returned back. Up to Kodungalur he could travel through Kerala. Okay, so you should learn when you are in Payyannur, you should learn a lot of such things also. See, when you said Wayanad, immediately connected to Kalpetta is the capital. Okay, I know because I keep traveling all these places, and I have relatives in Kalpetta. I have traveled to Sultan Batteri, different places. No, I drove all these places. I keep driving myself by traveling all these different colleges. Sultan Batteri, St. Mary's College. So I know different college names. I go for that is one method to learn. Payyannur was once upon a time the best port. Cherry, Karuva Mavi cherry. All these cherries are places where they made a lot of the Chinese people came and then stayed there. Probably the trade was happening. They were all like after Kodungalur, Payyannur was the place of port. Read Charitram of Payyannur, that's compulsory. Okay, there is a beautiful book written by Payyannur, Ramesh Payyannur, his father, I think Adiyodi Mash. Maybe your father will know. Ask Adiyodi Mash, he has written a beautiful book.